LCAT. If you went crazy the first time you saw a cruise ship, you would love this LCAT. Made for military assistance, a company from France named the CNIM created this unique boat. The payload on this boat is over 100 ton, 5 times that of the regular warships. The LCAT can make a full rotation ship in the middle of the ocean. So fast, you will miss it if you are not paying attention. It's lifted and lowered between 2 hulls that are driven by 4 hydraulic cylinders. This catamaran ship is very high speed, and the deck lowers when you land, making it very easy to load and unload. Have you seen another ship so impressive? I am sure we haven't, and guess what we have? A few more to show you. Pedal Pub. If you like hanging out with friends, then you will love this party bus. This pedal pub is just as the name suggests, a pub that you can find rolling down the road. If you like drinking and enjoy sightseeing with your friends. This 10-year-old idea stemmed from a party bike in the city of Minneapolis, United States. Persons love the concept of this pedal pub so much it grew into a full franchise. Presently, over 40 cities have embraced this vision, and 200 pedal buses are located over the United States. Get a pedal pub for your bachelorette, bachelor, or graduation party. Tourists and birthday parties are particularly popular in these city pedal pubs, and in case you are wondering about the winter parties, you don't need to. The pedal pub seats were designed with heated seats for that purpose, a fireplace, and of course, you will be pedaling, which will help to provide some warmth. VeloMetro. If you are used to the city traffic, then you will appreciate the VeloMetro. These bikes are fantastic e-bikes that can fit in bike lanes as well as ride on the road. They offer convenience, are eco-friendly, and are equipped with a cover cabin that protects the rider from dust, wind, and rain. If you enjoy riding your bike, you will love VeloMetro. You will have plenty of space to put your shopping bags, personal belongings, and much more. This 3-wheeler offers a small car's convenience and feel. The built-in display tracks the route on which you travel. The handles on this e-bike are heated. You have a cup holder and comfortable seating. What more could you ask for from a bike? This solar-powered car can hit a maximum speed of 32 kilometers in an hour. This vehicle might be the wow effect you are looking for. CNIM PTA. We all know that vehicles, tools, and equipment get better and better as time and technology advance. So do military vehicles. CNIM PTA. This vehicle was designed with impressive firepower, all-terrain capabilities, including water. However, the most remarkable part is the specialized bridges installed in this vehicle that can run up to 126 meters, great for rescues and emergency cases, and take 10 minutes to assemble. This vehicle class carries up to a 70-ton Caterpillar vehicle, and vehicles on wheels can be up to 80 tons. Whether on uneven surfaces and slopes, the bridges can spread thanks to its specially installed stabilizers. All vehicle control is done from an armored cabin, designed to be the safest place on the vehicle, especially in combat conditions. Audi AI Trail Quattro. Audi has designed an SUV made with carbon fiber, aluminum, steel, and glass. The Audi AI Trail Quattro is both an on- and off-road vehicle. With automatically adjusted tire pressure, there's not much to worry about on the road. Presently, this vehicle model kicks a 435 horsepower and is said to be able to tackle shallow terrains up to 50 centimeters deep. someone say flying lights? The manufacturer designed the car in such a way that if the headlights aren't bright enough, the vehicle comes with 5 drones that can lead the way. The drones can also navigate the terrain and show the driver what is to go on its onboard monitor. This Audi SUV is powered by 4 electric motors and is very much environmentally friendly. TMC Dumont. This next vehicle looks like something out of an Avengers movie. The TMC Dumont is a motorcycle straight out of the future, and there is no way not to be seen when you are on this vehicle. Unique definitely describes this bike, as Tarso Marks only made 1 copy of this motorbike. The entire thought process and development of this bike took over 15 years and finally manifested in 2018. No other competitor expected to win when this bike was entered in the Daytona Bike Week competition. The empty wheel you see is 36 inches and a skinny tire. The massive body of this bike is actually an engine from the 60s. This Rolls-Royce Continental aircraft engine gives this bike a 300 horsepower to work with. We are not done yet. We still have some cool vehicles to show you. Ego. Can you imagine yourself on one of these boats, floating down the river, being able to see the underwater creatures without the need to dive? You can see creatures of the sea without being a scuba diver or looking through an aquarium. While Ego seems like a boat going down the river, it is actually a passenger pod with a glass bottom. Great for tourists and children who cannot swim, but wish to experience and view the undersea world. No need to get wet with an Ego. You will not miss a thing. Let us know in the comments if you would try this unique attraction. Fido e-scooter. Who wouldn't want a bicycle they do not have to pedal? This electric scooter, developed by a Singapore company called Fido, is very much inexpensive, but gets the job done very, very well. Starting at a price of only $500 US, this beauty could be yours. The Fido e-scooter is more reliable than most e-scooters of the past. They are also comfortable and feature a higher standard for safety than similar bikes. It can be ridden both indoors and outdoors. This bike can go between 40 to 55 kilometers and a speed of up to 25 kilometers in an hour. Ride in comfort and style with the Fido e-scooter. Wow, are we finished? Well, no worries. We will have far more for you in the next video. In the meantime, be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you have not already, so you can receive more awesome videos like this one. See you next time. Peace!